Hello ma'am.
Hello,
May I know your name and where you stay?
I'm Sumita Khanna. I stay in Preet Vihar.
How old is your child?
My child is 6-year-old.
What kind of classes you are looking for your child?
I was looking for drawing classes basically because that is the only thing she's interested in.
Which are the options did you consider?
In case of my second child who's coming for drawing classes now, I did not consider any other option except Kalakriti because for my elder child I had looked at a lot of places and I found that Kalakriti was the best. So for my second child I just brought her straight to this class.
Which one did you finally choose and why?
I chose Kalakriti finally because in case of my elder child I had found that sir allows the child to the child's talent to come out on its own. He gives them a lot of space, a lot of time and makes them draw and learn at their own pace. So the child's own creativity comes out. And secondly, he himself has a lot of, sir and ma'am both, they have a lot of understanding of children's psychology. So nowhere is the child pressurized and they are able to help the child according to their individual style and personality both.
Okay. Based on your experience, what are the two good things you really like about Kalakriti Foundation?
As I said, the first thing is that the teachers, both the teachers, sir and ma'am, they really encourage the children to think on their own, so their own creativity comes out, and also because of their deep understanding of children's development and psychology, the children really grow according to their own individual needs and their thinking. And second thing is they get a lot of exposure in the form of exhibitions and their paintings being put on the website and all, which is very important and very encouraging also for them.
Anything that could be better?
Better could be maybe a little bit in art and craft, in craft work, maybe whatever the latest materials and all are coming up, so that in school competitions they can do a little better, but only in craft work. As far as drawing is concerned, I think this is the best.
On a scale 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend Kalakriti Foundation to other parents?
1:5, 4.5.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay.